ETFs and optionable stocks for tracking Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Just a review of the products available, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or do neutral strategies on these positions. Which securities are available related to BTC-USD that offer options? Fernando wanted to know, do you know if there are stock or ETF based on Bitcoin that have options? Thanks from the help of Jeff N., Chuck R., and other attendees on our Friday session, we got a good list. The direct ETF is BitQ. Another ETF is BLOK. Standard stocks to consider are Coin, Riot, and Mara. BitQ, trading at $22.58 at the close of September 20th, is the Bitwise Crypto Industry Innovators ETF. It essentially tracks industry expertise to identify the pioneering companies generate the majority of their revenue from crypto business activities. It is a traditional ETF. Some of the stocks that it tracks in the ETF are Coin, Mara, Riot, MSTR, and companies that accept or did accept Bitcoin as currency. BitQ was released in May of 2021. Here at the bottom, we have a 6-month chart of BTC-USD, and up at the top, we have the 4 months or so available from BitQ. And as you can see, they generally sort of track each other's movements in the big dips down, the big rises up, and then back again into the lower range. BLOK, BLOK, is the other ETF. This is the Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF. Actively managed, it seeks to provide total return, about 80% of its net assets and equity securities, of, again, companies actively involved in the development and utilization of the blockchain technology behind the mining of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It does track similar securities to BTIQ. The closing price on September 20th was $45.93. Here again, you see the comparison of BTC-USD on the bottom versus the full last 6 months of BLOK. You can see the peak around mid-April, when BTC was around 60,000 or so, and then the fall off slightly after that, little movement up, steeper decline down, some hesitancy in the middle, another little decline, and then moving back up around the beginning of August, another small decline there, and then of course a peak right around September, and then the last few days of trading, including Monday's trading as well. On to the stocks. It is the belief of Chuck R. and Jeff N. that Coin is probably the best one to track BTC-USD. Again, this one didn't come out until early May. Coin is currently trading at $236.53. Company name, Coinbase Global Inc. This company provides financial infrastructure and technology for the crypto economy. It offers primary financial account in the crypto economy for retail users, marketplace with a pool of liquidity for transacting in crypto assets for institutions, and technology and services that enable ecosystem partners to build crypto-based applications and securely accept crypto assets as payment. As before, we can see a similar chart with the ups and the downs, hesitation there in the middle between sort of May and July, a little bit of increase up after that, a little bit movement back down again. Next up on the list is Riot. Riot Blockchain Inc., together with its subsidiaries, focuses on cryptocurrency mining operations in North America. Company focuses on Bitcoin mining, and as of December 31st, there were a fleet of 7,043 miners. Company was formerly known as Bioptics and changed its name to Riot in October of 2017. It's currently trading at about $27.53. It's actively traded, of course, and we see a similar comparison of the 6-month chart for Riot versus BTC-USD. And last but not the only one still available, but the most popular ones it seems, the last one is Mara, currently trading at $27.53. This is Marathon Patent Group, now known as Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc., as of February 2021. This operates a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets in the United States. Again, 6-month comparison, you can see similar stock patterns, what we've seen to BTC-USD, to what we've seen in the stock chart with Mara, as it generally tracks that. And again, let's look at all 5 of our briefly discussed optionable ETFs and securities related to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin versus BTC. Up at the top here in the regular green candlesticks is our block, BLOK, compared to Mara, BitQ, Riot, and Coin. And as you can see, although the percentages are slightly different, standard movements of peaks up, pullbacks down, movements up, movements down, very similar to, of course, what we're seeing with BTC USD over the last 6 months. So 2 ETFs, BitQ and BLOK. 3 commonly used stocks, Coin, Riot, and Mara. All offer options, all can do different spreads and positions, and shares of both the ETFs and the standard stocks can be bought to help hedge or to help with other strategies and positions. Disclaimer, this is not a bull or bear recommendation to trade crypto, the 2 ETFs, or the 3 stocks mentioned. Cryptocurrency securities are highly volatile. Prepare and hedge for fluctuations in the price. Practice proper position sizing for any leveraged option strategy. Options involve risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You can use the Power Options tools to evaluate liquidity, probability, and other factors on those 2 optionable ETFs and the 3 optionable stocks that track Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.